Welcome students. We are going to learn indefinite integration in this video. Exercise 3.1 we have already started in the previous video. Question number 1 हमने complete किया है. So we'll continue question number 2, that is evaluate tan square x. सबसे पहले हम फॉर्मूली एक और बार फॉर्मूली रिवाइज करते हैं जो कि हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में फॉर्मूली डिराइव किया था. ये न्यू फॉर्मूली दैट इज e raised to power x और a raised to power x we are not derived. 1 dx x plus c x raised to power n x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Integral dx upon x is log of x, then sin x minus cos x sin x, sec square x tan x, cosec square x is minus cot x. अभी जो न्यू फॉर्मूली है दैट वी डिराइव e raised to power x, we know derivative of e raised to power x. Derivative of e raised to power x is e raised to power x. Therefore, antiderivative of this, that is indefinite integral of e raised to power x, that is same e raised to power x. So this is formula. Then derivative of a raised to power x upon log of a. Here this 1 upon log a constant है, so that we'll write outside 1 upon log a, or derivative of a raised to power x, and we know derivative of a raised to power x is a raised to power x into log a. So आपको मिलेगा a raised to power x into log of a, और डिनोमिनेटर में वापस log a है, that will get cancelled, और आपको d dx of a raised to power x upon log a, which will be equal to a raised to power x. This function derivative is the right hand side. इसका मतलब ये एंटी डेरिवेटिव है इसका. So indefinite integral of a raised to power x is a raised to power x upon log a. So integral of a raised to power x with respect to x, that is ये log a raised to power x upon log a. Then formula derivative of sec x. We know derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. So antiderivative, that means indefinite integral of sec x tan x is sec x. Derivative of cosec is minus cosec cot. लेकिन derivative of minus cosec will be plus cosec cot. So therefore integration of cosec cot will be minus cosec. So these are the list. This is what list of the formulae which you have to by heart. आपको ये फॉर्मूली बाय हार्ट करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पे आते हैं हम. एक्सरसाइज 3.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. वी इवेल्युएट इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ tan स्क्वायर x. यहाँ पे tan स्क्वायर x या cot स्क्वायर x अगर रहा तो हम विल बी यूजिंग फॉर्मूला 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर दैट इज इक्वल टू sec स्क्वायर, एंड 1 प्लस cot स्क्वायर we'll be using this 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. क्योंकि tan square x का इंटीग्रेशन फॉर्मूला वी डोंट हैव, sec square का इंटीग्रेशन है. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ sec square x is equal to tan x plus c. so इसलिए वो tan square x को हम विल राइट इन टर्म्स ऑफ sec square x. 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosec square x. So wherever tan square x या cot square x आता है, so we use this results. यहाँ पे simultaneously हम cot square x का भी इंटीग्रेशन निकालते हैं, cot square x dx. So this tan square x we will write sec square x minus 1. tan square x को हम sec square x minus 1 में, और we'll use this formula sec square x. So write down this is integration of tan square x. Tan square x is what? Sec square x minus 1. So it is sec square x minus 1 dx. यहाँ पे भी हम cot square को लिखते हैं cosec square x minus 1, cosec square x minus 1 dx. Then separate it. We separate this integration of sec square x dx माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 dx, इसको भी हम सेपरेट करते हैं, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ कोसेक स्क्वायर एक्स dx माइनस 1 dx, फिर इसका इंटीग्रेशन सेक स्क्वायर एक्स इज व्हाट, tan x, so it is tan x minus integration of 1 dx is x, it is x minus integration of 1 dx is x and plus c constant of integration. वैसे ही इसका integration of cosec square is minus cot x, so we'll write here minus cot x और 1 dx is x and plus constant of integration c. So ऐसे अगर आपको इंटीग्रल में tan square x है या cot square x टर्म रहे तो we will express it by using this formula 1 plus tan square is sec square or 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square. So cot square will write what, cosec square minus 1, tan square will write what, sec square x minus 1, and we separate the integral so that you will get this integration by using formula sec square x integration is tan x. Integration of sin x upon cos square x, we evaluate this integration of sin x upon cos square x. Here simplify this, sin x upon cos x लिख सकते हैं और 1 upon cos x, so that we attempt this question. It is integration of sin x upon cos x into cos square x है डिनोमिनेटर में, तो आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं cos x and cos x dx. Sin upon cos will write tan and 1 upon cos will write sec, which is integration of tan x into sec x dx. So we have formula integration sec x tan x is equal to sec x, क्योंकि डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sec x tan x होता है तो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ दिस इज sec x. So sec x tan x integration is sec x. So its integration will be sec x plus c. फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन cos of 2x. So cos 2 theta, formula is this, cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. It is cos square theta minus sin square theta. We apply this formula. So cos 2x के बदले हम cos square x minus sin square x लिखते हैं. It is integration of cos square x minus sin square x upon sin square x dx. Then this cos square upon sin square will become cot square. सेपरेट करते हैं तो cos square upon sin square और sin square upon sin square, which is cos square x upon sin square x minus sin square upon sin square, that is 1, and whole dx. So separate it. Cos square upon sin square will write cot square x minus 1 dx. In place of this cos square upon sin square will write cot square, but cot square के लिए हम cosec square minus 1 लिखेंगे, because 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosec square x, and we have result for cosec square, that is integration is minus cot x. तो हम cot square को cosec square minus, wherever cot square or tan square is there, we express it in terms of this cosec square. तो इसके बदले हम cosec square x minus 1 लिखते हैं, cosec square x minus 1 और ये minus 1 minus 2 dx, so that it will integration of cosec square x after separating it, integration of cosec square x dx minus 2 constant, integration of 1 dx, integration of cosec square minus cot x minus 2 into x plus c. This is the answer. So we solve this third and fourth question. So fourth question is this, we express it, cot square will write cosec square minus 1 and this 1, so it will be minus 2. separate cosec square x dx and minus 2 times of integral 1 dx, which is x, and integral cosec square x is minus cot x. We attempt question number 6. Sin x upon 1 plus sin x. Sin x upon 1 plus sin x. So इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1 minus sin x. So it will be 1 minus sin square x in the denominator. So we attempt this sixth question. Sixth question. So multiply numerator and denominator by 1 minus sin x. So it will be sin x into 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x dx. So that this will be multiply sin x minus sin square x, a plus b, a minus b, it gives a square minus b square, that is 1 minus sin square x dx. 1 minus sin square, will write cos square x, integration of sin x minus sin square x upon 1 minus sin square x, we will write what, cos square x dx. अभी हम सेपरेट करते हैं sin x upon cos square x and sin square x upon cos square x, which will be sin x upon cos square x minus sin square x upon cos square x dx. Now this sin square upon cos square become tan square. See, sin upon cos square as earlier हमने इवेल्युएट किया, sin x upon cos x और 1 upon cos x लिख सकते हैं आप. sin x upon cos x into cos x dx, which is cos square x minus इंटीग्रल ऑफ sin square upon cos square, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं tan square x dx. So this tan square x will write sec square x minus 1, so that it is integral of sin upon cos, sin x upon cos x into 1 upon cos x dx minus tan square x will write sec square x minus 1, because 1 plus tan square is sec square, so we write it sec square x minus 1 dx, so that it is integral, this 1 upon cos is sec x and sin upon cos is tan x dx minus integral of sec square x minus of minus, it will be plus integral of 1 dx minus sec square x and minus of minus, that is plus 1 dx. Sec x tan x integral is sec x minus integral of sec square x tan x, integral of sec square x tan x, and this is x plus c. So this completes the answer. Next we attempt tan x upon sec x plus tan x. So we attempt this next question, that is tan x upon sec x plus tan x. We know sec square x minus tan square x, that is equal to 1, or 1 plus tan square is sec square x. So we use that identity and we attempt this question. So question number 7th. Multiply numerator and denominator by sec x minus tan x. sec x minus tan x से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. Here tan x into sec x minus tan x upon denominator sec x plus tan x into सेक एक्स माइनस टेन एक्स से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सेक एक्स माइनस टेन एक्स dx. A plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. We use this identity 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. इसका मतलब sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. Denominator will become this given integral I. Denominator will become a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Sec square x minus tan square x dx. Sec x into tan x it will be, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम sec x into tan x minus tan into tan square x. Separate this, but denominator is what? Sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. See, therefore sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. So this is 1. Integral of sec x tan x minus tan square x dx, and denominator is 1, so that we separate it, but before to that tan square x will write what? Sec square x minus 1. So separating integral of sec x tan x dx minus integral of tan square x, integral of this tan square x dx, which is integral sec x tan x dx minus integral of tan square x will write sec square x minus 1, sec square x minus 1 dx, and इंटीग्रल ऑफ sec x tan x is sec x. इसका इंटीग्रेशन होगा sec x माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ sec square x is tan x. This minus and it will be plus now, and integral 1 dx is x plus c, constant of integration. So our answer will be this sec x minus tan x plus c. Then we attempt the next question, that is 9th question. Square root of 1 minus cos 2x. So 1 minus cos 2x is what? 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. So simplify this, 1 minus cos 2x will be 2 sin square x. So that attempt this next question, that is 9th. Integral of root of 1 minus cos of 2x dx. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. Root of that dx. Very simple it is. Square root of 2 and square root of sin square, that is sin x. Root of 2 constant है और square root of sin square x is sin x dx, और integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. 2 lines में आंसर आएगा. Then sin 4x and cos 3x dx. So sin a into cos b. Sin a into cos b, ये a है suppose और ये b है. Sin a into cos b. So sin a into cos b, we will use this result. Sin a into cos b equal to sin a cos b. 2 times sin a cos b. यहाँ पे 2 नहीं है, मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. So we use this formula 2 sin a cos b. What is that? Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. We use this formula 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b. That is sin of a plus b. इसका एक्सपेंशन होगा sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. नेक्स्ट पार्ट कैंसिल होके इतना आता है. ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का फॉर्मूला आपको लर्न है. So we use that formula here to solve this question. So question is sin 4x cos 3x. Sin 4x cos 3x, multiply and divide by 2, multiply and divide by 2. ये 2 मल्टीप्लिकेशन अंदर लेते इंटीग्रेशन के साइन के पहले, cos 3x dx. Then we use this formula, that is 2 sin a cos b equal to sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b, which is 1 by 2. Here we use formula, this is a, this is b, so it will be sin of a plus b, sin of a plus b, that is 4x plus 3x, plus sin of a minus b, sin of a minus b means 4x minus 3x dx, which is 1 by 2 integral of sin of 7x. The 1 by 2 is multiplied to all both the terms, plus sin of x, sin of x, integral of this dx. This 1 by 2 is multiplied. Then separate the integral. 1 by 2 integral of sin 7x dx plus 1 by 2 integral of sin x dx. ये फॉर्मूला आपके लिए नया है, दैट इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ sin 7x. sin x का आपको पता है इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ sin x इज माइनस cos x. So we write this formula also. See, integration of sin of ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a minus 1 by a cos of ax plus b plus c. We use this formula. This is 1 by 2 and 1 by a. A is this 7. ax plus b मतलब a क्या है 7. So it is 1 by 7 minus cos of 7x, cos of 7x plus 1 by 2 and this minus cos x plus c, which is minus cos 7x upon 14, is 2 and 7, and minus cos x upon 2 plus c. So this completes the question. In this video we have completed exercise 3.1 question number 2. For question number 3 we will complete it in next video. Thank you for watching.